It's Sean here today, and I'm going to teach you about arbitrage betting in today's video. So let's dive in. So what exactly is arbitrage betting? Arbitrage betting is a risk-free approach to betting that guarantees a profit. So it involves placing proportional bets on every possible outcome of an event, and you want to make sure that you do this with different bookmakers, because if you do it on the same book, they might get suspicious or flag your account or something like that. So regardless of what happens with arbitrage betting, you're going to make a profit. So let's dive in and see what's available right now. All right, so to find arbitrage opportunities, it's pretty simple. We're on the OddsJam homepage here. We go to Tools and we go to Arbitrage, and these are currently some arbitrage opportunities out there. So let's look at this one, for example, for today's game. Cleveland Guardians versus the New York Yankees. First inning, total runs. Either over a half or under a half. So let's click on our calculator over here. You notice here on the left side, the over is listed at 145 and the under is listed at minus 143. So an arbitrage opportunity exists here because this number, 145, is greater than 143. So that is when you know an arbitrage opportunity exists. Sometimes you can make your own arbitrage opportunities with boosts, but we can't assume that everybody has a boost, but that can sometimes sweeten the deal. So you always want to make sure that if you have a boost applicable, that you want to use it. So, for example, all right, so let's look at this opportunity right here. So we have Cleveland Guardians versus New York Yankees. First inning total runs. A run scored would be plus 145 at BetGM. No run scored would be minus 143 at BetRivers and Barstool. So if we want to arbitrage this bet and make a guaranteed risk-free profit, this is how we would do it. So first of all, this is arbitrage because this number, 145, is greater than the minus 143. You always want to make sure that this number is always bigger than the opposite side. So let's say we want to stake $100. So we would put $100 on this. Payout is $245. On the under, at minus 143, we would stake 144.18, and that profit would be $245. Now, one of these bets will lose, but your total stake is $244.18 and your total payout is $245. So there is an arbitrage opportunity here of 0.34%. If you bet both sides, one side's going to lose, but you are guaranteed a risk-free profit of 82 cents. And that is how you use the arbitrage betting tool on OddsJam.